Yo, hello Zimbabwe. My name is DJ C Clear from Masvingo, Mas Vegas City. That's where we are. I'm making a new rhythm. I want to show you how I do it. But I'm just going to start with the bass line. After the bass line, then I'm going to add a little bit of keys, then drums. But first, starting with the bass line. Alright. Okay, the bass line is already there. Then we'll start adding the keys now. The keys. Something like a xylophone. Brand new rhythm like now. I'm just gonna add drums. I don't like the way the samples sound. I'm just gonna try to change something here. I don't like these kids. Let me try to find something else. Yo, I'm using a more advanced software, so I'm trying to look for samples here. Okay, let me try this. That's just the skeleton of the new beat. Maybe I might change the sample, maybe I might change the way it sounds. But yeah, the brand new rhythm is coming in March. I don't have the name yet, but yeah. Follow us on Facebook, on Twitter. Facebook is C Clear Music Zimbabwe. Twitter is C Clear Music. 073 887 8862. You can call us WhatsApp there, or 073 445 3316. You can call there, or SoundCloud. Get our new tunes, our brand new rhythms. We always post them on SoundCloud. It's C Clear Music Zimbabwe. Yeah. Peace.